The SBA is giving everybody $1,000 and you guys cannot miss it. Let's go! What's going on, guys? Pedro here, and I'm just bringing you a pretty quick update. The Small Business Administration just started to receive new applications for the EIDL loan, which is the Economic Injury Disaster Loan. This loan will give you a grant of $1,000. Yes, you heard it right. Free $1,000.
But Pedro, I'm not a business.
Here's the best part. Anybody who is self-employed or has a side hustle qualifies for this loan. Does this sound confusing? Let me break it down. You can apply for the EIDL loan as a sole proprietor with employees, sole proprietor without employees, and also as an independent contractor. Both independent contractor and sole proprietor without employees will qualify for a grant up to $1,000, but the sole proprietor with employees will receive $1,000 per employee up to $10,000. All you have to do to apply for this loan is go to sba.gov and fill up the application. And to make things easier for you guys, I'm definitely walk you through this in this video right now. But before we do that, let's take a quick break for some time with Wade Wilson. Alright, and we are back at the studio, and now it's time for me to walk you guys through the EIDL loan application. First thing we gotta do is go to sba.gov right here, and then you're gonna click on this big click here on this yellow little bar. We're gonna scroll down, go to COVID-19 EIDL loan and advanced application. You apply here. Awesome. This is where the applications start. I'm guessing the majority of you guys will fit right in this category right here. Applicant is an individual who operates under a sole proprietorship with or without employees or as an independent contractor. If you have a business, then you can just click on the other ones. To continue, we scroll down. We gotta click on all those options, otherwise we can continue. Hit a continue, and this is the form that we gotta fill, right, guys? So right here you go business name. I'm gonna put my own trade name, my own. Then I'm gonna make up social. I am a sole proprietorship. No right here. Let's make one revenue up. Then all this, guys, super simple things to just fill. We just keep going, as you guys can see. Making up all this information pretty much. Yeah, guys, it is very simple business activity. You guys put whatever you do. I'm gonna put entertainment services, why not? And this is a pretty important part, number of employees. If you put a 1, you're gonna get a grant up to $1,000, and if you have more than 1, it can go up to $10,000. Click next. Now individual owners, then I'm gonna put my information again. We're just pretty easy, guys. I am an owner. I own 100% of the business. You gotta put fake email again, social security, whatever. This is actually my real birthday right there. I'm not a US citizen, but please, if you are, click yes. Luckily, that makes no difference. We're gonna go put a random address, Nashville, Tennessee. If you have an additional owner, this is the time to put it in. And before we click on next, we gotta answer this really quick question. Is your business owned by a business entity? In my case, it is not. Then we're good to go. We go next. Then here's additional information. You click on no. All of those options. I give permission. No, I don't give anybody permission because nobody's assisting me. And here, guys, is the most important part. You want absolutely click on this little check mark right here where you say, I would like to be considered for an advance of up to $10,000. Here's your grant. And then you're gonna put your bank name, your account number, and your routing number. You're definitely gonna click on I hereby certify under penalty, blah, 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 blah. Then you're gonna click next. You're gonna go to the final stage, which is the summary. You're gonna pretty much finish the application. It's gonna give you a loan application number, and then that's pretty much it, guys. That's when you are guaranteed to have your application inside the SBA loan system. I hope this video was very helpful, that your $1,000 is gonna come very, very soon. And guys, as always, if you like what I'm doing, please leave a comment down below. Also, turn the like button blue. That'll mean the world to me. Subscribe, hit the bell so YouTube notify you every time I post a new video. And also, if you wanna start investing, remember, link in the description for Robinhood and Webull, which are two really cool brokers. Robinhood will give you 1 free stock if you sign up, and Webull will give you 2 free stocks up to $1,400, which, you know, if you get one of those, please tell me in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. Remember, you are not alone. We're in this together. Love you guys, and see you next time. Bye.